Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Leo Sotelo. So I'm going to do this video today on Craigslist. I know there's a lot of Craigslist how-tos out there. I actually want to jump in here and I want to take action with all you. So some of you don't know Craigslist, some of you do. It's been around for a real long time. And let's go over the stats for this. Let's go to SimilarWeb right here. They get 400 million plus views a month. I know I can use some of that, so can you all. So bounce rate 25.59%. United States really gets a lot of traffic from a lot of eyeballs from the United States, 93.18%, and a lot of their traffic comes direct. So it's a strong website. Make sure you follow their policies, their guidelines, and after this video, if you like what you hear, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, notification bell, because I'm going to be coming out more stuff, more about taking action. So I got in here to New York. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to promote into the resumes. People out there looking for work. And I have went through some other states already and done this. And what's kind of messed up, some of these men and women out there have this resume that is pretty big. And they're still looking for work. So, I know it's tough out there. And some of them are worried or skeptical even about starting an online business. They don't know where to start. So as many of us know already on here that have been through the hoops, I should say, that it takes education. So if you provide them the right education, they don't have to buy it if they don't want to. They don't have to, but it's an option that's there. It's an opportunity. So let me see. Looking for worker, employee. Okay. Let's kind of go through this together. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I kind of just want to show you what. Let's check out this real estate agent. Oh, any kind of IT jobs. Okay, let's check this guy out. Or a woman, whoever it is. They're a professional programmer. Okay, they're looking for something. So I've learned to it's pretty simple. All you do is go open up your, I already had it open already. Let's go here to Gmail. Let's go back over here. Let's get this right. You're going to reply. Now some of them have some numbers. The other day I was on here. I forgot what. I think I was working in California or something. And they leave phone numbers instead of an email. Some of them are youngsters, 15 years old. And, I wish when I was 15 or back when the internet kind of started booming, somebody showed me the ropes or threw me a link, but I had to kind of learn the same way many of you have. So we're going to copy this email address, go to our email, going to copy paste it, and then going to put like open opportunity available. Okay, make sure I spelled that right. Sometimes I'm over here in Utah, everybody, and right now the air quality out there is nasty. So you might hear my voice sound a little messed up, but it's that bad air quality. So for this example, I'm going to promote Easy One Up. I already went to Bitly. Those of you who don't know, you just go over here to your thing, to your browser over here, and you type in Bitly, and you copy or paste from whatever you're doing, click bank, whatever, put it in here, hit shorten, and you copy it. Then you might want to test it before you shoot it out there. But I already did all that. So I already have everything here. So what I'm going to do, I'm promoting Easy One Up on this. And if none of you are promoting Easy One Up yet, I mean, I will have a link below. You can hit it. You can start promoting it yourself. It's really up to you, but if you don't want to, there's no worries. But I'm using that here as an example. So I'm going to copy and paste all this. Let me get that over here. Get that out of the way. So Copy and paste this. Copy it. And then we're going to go back over. We're going to go to our email. Sorry. Paste it. And if you have a website already, if you have a blog that you're trying to, I'm going to add that in here actually. If you have a blog that you're trying to promote or any kind of website, I don't know if you guys, this right here, you could put them in here. Put your picture, of course, so they know you're not, somebody who's trying to hide. You could put that in anyone that you send an email to, they're going to get your blog. They're going to get for whatever you're doing. I don't know. You could be in the recipe niche or whatever. Whatever you're doing, you could put it in there. They could check you out, see who you are. So, just going to copy read this real quick. I'll read it in my head. You guys want to read it along? Go ahead. And I'm letting them know. Just copy and paste links, or they can just click on them if they work like that when they go on the other side of the email. And then you just hit send. And you rinse and repeat that. Rinse and repeat it. So you're going to go with somebody else. I mean, the other day I was on here and I found people who clean up after pets. That's what they do for a living. Like 15 to 17 years old. And I thought I'd send them something. Send them this guy's webinar. Be an affiliate for them, of course. Send them a webinar. And if these guys are interested, I mean, these youngsters, I mean, we've seen it that a lot of them are, way ahead. They started doing this, a lot sooner. So guys like me, I kind of slacked, and I kind of learned it late, but I crammed it together. So logo website, this person does okay. They're maybe they might be interested. They might be interested in a new opportunity. I mean, they already know the internet. They probably haven't heard of your product yet that you're promoting. And these people do print management, website design. I mean, they're pretty much educated already. So why not see if they're interested in the product that you're going to promote to them? So copy and paste this again. Go back to I want to compose a new one. I'm going that, and then you always want to put something here on subject like new opportunity. And sometimes my spelling goes a little wrong, so that's just air quality. And then you want to go back. It's always good to have this pre-written, pre-done, proofread to make sure it's it sounds good. It gets to the point. It lets them know that if they're interested, okay. If not, okay, then they could they don't have to. It's there. Some people don't want to learn stuff in the internet. I like it. Paste it there. New opportunity. Okay, let's put read below. Okay, cool. Now your link is in there, everything is in there, and it's good to shoot out. So what you kind of do, you just kind of keep doing this. You keep doing it, and you keep finding potential people. I mean, the other day I was doing this. I did it maybe 30 people. I had other things to do, so I kind of left it. I still have to see if I made any sales. I'm not sure yet. I got to go check on. It was a ClickBank product. Seeking temp, short-term, part-time work. They might be interested. They're highly motivated. And when you read this, when you read if they leave something there, look for how they're writing it. Like some people write stuff like, I pick up dog manure. That sounds like to me like they don't feel like doing that forever. They want to do something else. So reach out to them with your promotion and see if they're going to be interested in something new, something where they don't have to bust sweats, or some people just want to live a little bit more free. So they don't know about your offer yet, because when I first started, like I said, I wish somebody threw me a link, but nobody did. I had to kind of get on there myself. So this might be somebody here. So why not send them a link to see if they might be interested in the opportunity that you are promoting. So I'm going to go here. Then you're going to go back over here. Like I said, all you're going to do, you're going to rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. And, you're not doing anything wrong here. You're trying to help people out, give them another view of life that they could be pursuing. Copy it, paste it, and then you just send it along. And you just keep on doing that. Keep on doing that. And let's see what else is there. I mean, I might have... Actress? You don't know. Maybe she's tired of being an actress. Who knows? Natural hair model. Maybe they want to start a side income. You always got to look at the maybes. It doesn't hurt to copy, paste, send them something. And who knows? They might even thank you for it. They might be like, wow, I mean, this person sent me this link. They did their due diligence. They know it's legit. You're not asking them for anything in the email. Just click the button, and if it's for them, it's for them. So let's check out this dog walker. He's a student. Okay, we know he's a student. Minimum wage is also fine, but if possible, he wants $20 or more. I will be able to do at least 2-3 hours a day. Please do let me know ASAP. Thank you. I am based on Stewtown, East Village. So something close. Something close. Why not be something off the phone? Something he could do on his laptop like I'm doing here. You know what? This might be somebody who is seeking something, especially as he's a college student. I mean, I met college students that don't even want to be in college no more, but they don't know what to do. I used to be one of them. Went to college. It was tiring. I would go there after work, and I couldn't comprehend that. It was just bad. So I learned this internet stuff. And I hope you out there are watching videos like this, and you're not giving up. You keep on pushing. You move forward. So let's see. Open opportunity. Read below. And then you're going to come up here again. Copy. And then you're going to paste. And once again, you're letting them know who you are. You got your blog there. I have my other website there for my other business I do. And you just send it to them. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to show you how easy it is to just take action. And you could do this on this website. There's plenty of other ones. I'll probably be making some more for this channel, for my channel. And I appreciate you all being here. If you like what you've seen, if you got any value out of it, hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit the notification button. I'm sharing a lot of this stuff I'm sharing, and I'm going to be having a lot of affiliate products that you all could get into. It's good to get into, just sit there for a few hours and create a bunch of affiliates, where you could be an affiliate for certain companies. And like I said, I hope you like this video, and I will be making some more as soon as possible. Have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. See ya.